All this for a fucking video.
Oh, you didn't.
Oh, damn, nice. I got a grip. Yeah, I think he could hit the split.
I think I could climb all the way up there.
When we did that at Pelton, I think it was going across straight. The two Carlsons did it, and I was on the bottom filming it. And next thing you know, you see this Carlson's truck coming down on me.
I can't look. I can't look. No.
That green lizard up there. Are you filming it?
His natural habitat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Need that branch.
Dima, can you get that with your scissors?
Maintenance.
Hold on. I'm gonna catch it. Wait, John. If you feel like you're slipping, let me know. I'll soften the fall. Jesus Christ. Good idea.
I'm gonna see how high I could go.
Oh my God. You want to see how high you can talk to Sergio?
Yeah.
I think
That's
there's only one way down.
I think this is the highest somebody ever went on a tree.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, this little branch right here is gonna fuck me up.
Oh shit, God. You got it. If you would have kept up with maintenance, he would have got that little branch there when he first started growing.
Yo, this is crazy.
Wow.
Yo, holy shit, dude.
Are you gonna go back down?
Reverse.
All right, I think I'm at the limit. I don't think I could go any further.
You're gonna make a U-turn.
All right, let's see if I can get down.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Hold
shit.
on.
Oh my God.
I don't know if I can catch it, but I will soften it.
Fucking jerk. Oh damn. Little fucking
Oh
branch.
boy, dude, that's
That's how you can make your U-turn.
Nice.
Oh, you got it.
Ooh.
Oh no. Let me know if you're falling, because I can see it from here. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Hold on,
Oh, no.
Oh, he got it. He fixed it.
hold on. Let me try to correct this.
This is the wild part right now. This correction.
That little fucking branch. Ruined the
Oh,
whole
boy.
berry.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Yep.
I gotta kick the back out.
Fucking grip, don't want to let go. You know, your back tire has not moved right from that line, you see that?
I know, dude. It's so much grip. There we go.
You got it. Matter of fact, Demon, get ready to catch it.
Anybody want to take a quick picture?
Are you recording, man?
Yeah. I'm gonna use that as a fucking screenshot.
Oh, yeah.
Like a this little branch right here is oh.
Get my
Oh,
hand
I
on the
broke
bottom,
it.
look
Yes.
up.
Yeah.
You gotta get a better angle from back there, I think.
The way I got it, this could be my screensaver.
I think that's the highest.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, you got this. Holy shit. Nice, John.
Ah,